Da-da-da. Cute! I'm late to class. And good reason I woke up late. And now it's a good reason. I have a VK concert today. We're going to a VK concert and I'm so excited. If you don't know, I do really like VK. I have a few bands I like, but I just have had zero time to enjoy this type of music that I enjoy. New friend to be, question mark. I have a girl that invited me. She put it in the big group message that Sylvie runs. And yeah, she was like, anyone want to come? And I was like, me. So I'm gonna go with her. And she said this one's a more chill one, which I think is a great introduction to me going to maybe to more, question mark. I'm finding a favorite, question mark. I would love to have like a band that I like really, really enjoy. I do have my favorite metal band here. It is a girl and guy group called Dim Rays, and I'm actually going to their concert on Friday for work because I do metal tours. I posted a members only video talking about my whole metal tour, I got into it, and all the other stuff with that, and some like scene info. Today we're going to a VK concert. I can't go to all of it. I'm gonna stop like partway through to come home and then go to work. But yeah, the outfit's really cute and fun and I really enjoy it. This is my new Lisa top that I got from the thrift store for like 500 yen, I want to say. Okay, I'm telling on myself, look at that. It's all clean clothes. Literally, this was folded and ready to be hung up. That's trash. I'm disgusting. That is disgusting. That one little thing is dirty. These are also knocked over, but they're clean and ready to go. It's like a lot of things, like if I just had the time, I swear. And then we have it here too. I'm just telling on myself because I feel like I should do that. I was not expecting to say hello to you again until the show, but guess what I just did? I lost my wallet. It's somewhere in my messy house, so I'm cleaning and I didn't go to school. In my defense, I literally cannot leave my house today without my wallet with me. So, and funny enough, I actually messaged my teacher and she was really kind about it. She was like, that sounds very stressful and I've been there. It is unfortunate you won't be here because of you can't finding your wallet, but you know, find your wallet and I will see you tomorrow. That's a very refreshing response to get if you have been watching my channel, that my old teacher used to bully me. So this teacher is much more kind and I'm cleaning. We've been doing some work, okay? I called Slimy and we had a little chat. If you don't remember, Slime left Japan and is now not in Japan at the moment and is around the world. So have not spoken to Slime on a video call in a minute. We do text each other when we can, and yeah, we had a little chit chat. The W about this situation is now the rest of my week I will have a very clean room, and that really helps my headspace a lot. And I haven't been able to fully organize my clothes in a minute. I've just been putting everything away really quickly when I can, so this will be nice that all my clothes are going to be organized again. And will hopefully actually help with my destruction that happens in my room when I'm looking for clothes. Now everything will be color coordinated and category coordinated as well. I usually have it. Ta-da-da. Girl, what are you? Okay, I was gonna say look how clean it is. I just needed to do my dishes, which I was gonna do. But I have one more thing. Oh, I've told y'all how to organize this shit. Yay! That is other people's stuff and costumes up there. All I need to do is my dishes, which I'm about to do, and we have 30 minutes and then we'll head out. I didn't get to watch all of them like I thought I would. Not be able to because I need to go home and eat and decompress a bit before work. Super cute. Her name is Venus. She is super sweet. I don't know. I feel like cute little friendship. I know my schedule probably won't allow me to hang out as much as I probably would have liked to. Oh, definitely. I feel like in the music scene, I think we have a lot of similar tastes. Yay, I feel like I haven't made a fun new friend in a minute, and I say that and I think of like two people that I just met that are really fun. Yeah, I have a mask on today because I think I'm catching a slight cold. And I say slight because I am about to take some meds when I get home and get rid of this shit. We are about to go to a cafe, but first we're gonna do my makeup because I didn't have time this morning. I did it! Cute makeup, yay! I really wanted to do my bottom eyelashes, but we don't have time. I think I want to get this. I haven't gotten Gotcha in a minute, but they look so cute, and I love the twins. Fun fact, they're my favorite. We're gonna do it after because I don't have a 500 yen on me. I thought I did, so we're gonna be a pit stop after the cafe. We're currently figuring out how to possibly do flash on this. But it's so cute. Get on to me on YouTube. They like, don't say on YouTube that you're gonna get demonetized. And I'm like, oops.
That's why I don't speak in my videos.
Oh god, that's terrifying. Oh my god, I'm scared. Headed home. Honestly, besides the bangs being kind of fucked on this wig, I enjoyed this color. So fun. I'm really glad I got to go to that cafe because, extra context, I was supposed to go to it kind of a while back, but we walked in and my friend was like, wait, I need real food. I was like, damn, I get it. A lot of cute cafes here only really serve sweets and sweet drinks. They don't really serve like food. So we're headed home right now and I have like, I want to say 3 hours before my meeting, and I have one thing I have to get done before the meeting, and then like, ooh, like 3 things I would like to get done before the meeting. So we're about to fucking lock in and go me. I didn't get any snacks. I am hungry and I am feeling the urge to eat a lot, but I have food at home and the only way to eat it is if I make it. So I'm in between. I think I'm gonna have another tonkatsu sandwich just because the tonkatsu will go bad before the chicken goes bad. So I'm not gonna make chicken and rice just yet. Although that sounds yummy. I'm going to make some tonkatsu sandwich. Maybe some rice to go with that. That sounds very filling, which is nice. It is rainy and cold and gross. My hands are freezing, so ugh. Itadakimasu. I'm actually sitting at my floor table for once and forever. I'm going to watch a show until I'm done eating, not till the show is done. It probably won't take me 25 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna scarf this down and then start tippy tapping. Show. My voice is kind of tattered, but that's okay. I had so much fun. So a thing with metal shows and shows in general, live concerts, is you can't always film. But luckily Tim Ray's you can film, so it's nice that I get to show y'all one of my favorite bands here. Because yeah, I have some others that I like, but I decided can't even show y'all footage, nor can I take the footage of these other bands. So it's nice I get to share them with y'all. Okay, I'm glad my voice doesn't sound too bad. Keep it at like a lower octave. It's not the worst. The trust when I try to like talk louder or higher pitched. So bad. It's about almost 2 p.m. Cleaned a bit. I got ready, obviously. I ate. And now we're running an errand. We're going to pick up a dress. So I'm renting, kind of. I have it on loan / I get to wear it for an event and then I bring it back to the store after. So I'm very excited. I thought, why not? Because I don't have like a huge following on anything that would probably grant me cool things like this usually, but because I've modeled for this brand now 2 times, I almost said 3 because I have one in the future for them. I've modeled for them twice and I saw someone else ask them to borrow a dress for an event. So I was like, I'm gonna do that. So I asked if I could borrow a dress for tomorrow's event, and they said yes. So it's Hoshibako Works, the Lolita style. That's one that I did that one photo shoot with, and then got to do the other thing with. So I'm very excited. They have an Alice in Wonderland themed dress, and we're going to an Alice in Wonderland themed high tea tomorrow. Cute. I've never been to this shopping mall. It's called Sunshine City. I've definitely heard of it. I don't have a lot of time to just look around because it takes a second to get back home from here, and I don't have a lot of time. We got it. I was too embarrassed because I got it and they're like, bye. I honestly probably would have looked around, but I got embarrassed. And now this is one of my favorite brands ever, but I've never been able to go to the actual store because there isn't one in America, and I always find secondhand items, so I'm very curious to see what they have because I buy everything secondhand, so it's like older, so I don't know, we'll see. So amazing, so dangerous, because I was like over here like, okay, how much, like, what's the harm in a little bit? And I'm like, no, walk away. The only thing that allows me to walk away from Access Femme is knowing that I can find it in thrift stores in the boonies for so much cheaper. Super cute.
Her life is literally the worst from start to finish.
Oh my god.
Nobody's ever lived a worse life.
Everyone say happy birthday to Eliza.
Happy birthday to me.
Eliza.
It's so cold, you guys.
Oh my god. But I turned it on and they're like, yeah, she passed away from a fire. We're talking about Sims, not real people. Okay. Oh, she heard said me?
Oh, I remember. It was so cute. This is when I have haircut. It was good. Can I have nachos, please?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Okay.